Hi guys, how are you today? Today I wanted to tell you something about patience. Yeah, patience. A very pertinent word in our lives. A word that is very frequently used in quite a few expressions when we are feeling low or we are waiting for something to happen, and then we need to hold on to our patience. Maybe a very important word that acts as a tool for survival, a virtue that helps us sail through in difficult times, an emotion that acts as a bridge between our wants and hope, a virtue which is as sweet as it is strong. That's patience. And why patience today? Why do I want to talk about patience today? Maybe because this is something that we need to keep frequently holding on to. We have to keep reminding ourselves to be patient in our lives. And this poem, I had penned down a poem about patience, and it's very special to my heart because I had written it down 9 years ago. We all go through ups and downs in our lives. That's just going to be a continuous process. And this poem has been of great help to me also personally whenever I have gone through my struggles, like we all do. And I have always turned to this poem, and it has given me a lot of strength whenever I have needed it. So I hope you like this poem, and here it goes. Patience is a virtue, hard to cope with, but is true. True for a pure soul like you to get going and get through. Patience is a virtue. Life has always been like this, full of hardships, but for you, full of bliss. Because you have the strength, the power, and might enough for you to win the fight. Fight against all odds of life. Wrong can never surpass the right. The densest of darkness is defeated by light. Your light is so strong, it can brighten the skies, just waiting for you to realize. Realize that you have it all that will keep you from this fall. Melancholy is a matter of the past. You are the sail, patience is the mast. Happiness awaits on the other side, so get set for a wonderful joyride. This is my submission about patience, my friends, and maybe from my side I can just say that take it as a reassurance that light exists on the other side of the tunnel. We all have to walk through a dark tunnel in our life, maybe quite a few tunnels in our entire lifetime, and it might get scary. We may start losing hope at times. We may be a little shaky at times, and this is when patience comes into picture. This is one friend of ours which is going to be needed quite a few times, very frequently. So we need to hold on to it, and we need to remind ourselves that no matter how much the distance of each tunnel may be, because we probably don't know how far it is going to be. But we need to remind ourselves only with one thing, that there is light that awaits on the other side of the tunnel. And even if we get tired, even if we take a break for a while and we sit down for a while, we need to get back up. We need to get back up on our feet, and we need to walk so that we reach the other side of the tunnel where light awaits. And for that, we need a lot of patience, and we need to hold on to patience, because this is going to act as an anchor. This will be one of the strong pillars that we need, and it is going to always be of great use in difficult times, and when we want something to really give us the results for which we have waited for so long, the hard work that we have put into. But then in this journey, until we reach that point where light is there, we need patience always by our side. And this is something that we need to keep reminding ourselves, that patience is a virtue. So we need to hold on to it. I hope you liked my poem, friends, and I'll be coming back with more videos, a few more videos on fitness also. So please stay connected, and please take very good care of yourselves, and I hope we meet very soon. Till then, take care, stay connected. Bye bye.